Well, April 12th, we got a little snow here. Not a problem, though, for our TargetTacks. Like we've said before, these things have been out here since last spring, so just about a year. And as you can see, I just pre-drilled these into the wood and just kept them out here this whole time. And there's no problems with using our TargetTacks in terms of the performance. As you can see here, this is a Coroplast plastic in the wintertime. And we just, once you hear that first pop, boom, there you go. You're good to go.